Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to change Instagram music length on our story. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram and this is the photo that I want to upload to my story, and we're going to put music to the story, and we can simply click on this button to add music and choose music option right here. Then you gotta pick the song or the music that you want to put on your story, and I'm just going to choose this one. Alright, and if you want to change the music length on our story, we can simply click on this button. Then choose the duration that you like, and we can choose maximum 15 seconds for our story, and I'm going to choose 7 seconds. And after we choose the duration of our music story, we can click on done right here. And okay guys, that's how we can change Instagram music length on our story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.